another toy review of Minecraft. Today, I bought these toys to show to you all. Well, let's go review them. Starting off, we have Steve with diamond armor and a diamond sword. To the side there. Regular Steve with a stone pickaxe and a wooden sword. A bed. A chest. Opens. Iron Golem. Diamond ore. Just rarely spawned. It's hard to find these. Iron block. Gunpowder. Can you see it? There. Flour. Crafting table. TNT. Creeper. A skeleton. Spider. Silverfish. And this is kind of like a saddle, but I still put on the spider so the skeleton can ride it. And this is definitely a safe toy to play with, so buy it.